Hey guys, a video on Bitcoin. S&P opens in 20 minutes, the futures. I'm expecting a green day for the stock market. Again, I might be wrong. I also said it in the S&P video. We have to monitor what Trump says and what the war says. But then for Bitcoin here, structurally, look, this is really difficult to label, okay? 1, 2 is possible, 1, 2 is possible, then another 1, 2, I'm not sure. I'm struggling a lot as well because this is a 5-wave move down now from here. So if you want to be bullish, we need to label it an A, B, C. There is no other way, okay? Because only in a C wave we can have a 5-wave move and still have a scenario in which this is a correction, okay? If this is not an ABC here, this is your high and we have a 5-wave move down from the high, which might indicate that this is a first leg to the downside. We will do wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and with that we will take these lows and then try again from in the 50,000s, okay? Now, because it's so difficult to label it, let's just focus on price action from here, okay? So if I zoom in, by the way, before I zoom in, maybe on the 4-hourly we have bullish divergence, just for information here. Also here from the previous low here, okay? On the 1-hourly we now also have bullish divergence here. Then if I zoom in on the 15-minute, we've had this candle with engulfing volume in the low. And I think this is important because 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, okay? We have a 5-wave move to the downside. Generally, I expect then at least a corrective push to the opposite direction, meaning that I expect price to move up here. For this, ideally the S&P also opens green in a little bit, and it's gonna be in like 15 minutes, so I might be absolutely wrong. But in my opinion, looking at the S&P, how it closed on Friday post hours, and looking at this, we have a 5-wave move down. We can expect a green day tomorrow, I think. And then, because it's so messy, the structure on Bitcoin, we have to focus on what price does if this moves up here. If it's moving up in a very clear 3-wave structure, then we know, okay, this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, and we're gonna move more to the downside or an ABC, doesn't matter yet. So we need to analyze very nicely what this structure to the upside will look like. If we're gonna get a very strong and then maybe a 5-wave move up, then okay, we know this might still try to push higher here, and might be the case then that the bulls are still in control. But again, we have to wait and see. Hopefully the S&P opens green as well, and then this push can happen. And then I'll keep you updated tomorrow on how the push looks like, and we'll take it from there. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.